I just finished building this last night. This is the new hydro grow area. And what it is, it's an NFT system using nutrient film. That whole reservoir down below is 20 gallons, no, it's about 27. It holds 27, but it's 20 gallons full at this point. It constantly pumps fluid into these little reservoirs. And it's with two pumps, one for each, the top rail and lower rail. So lower rails can be for like kale and bok choy and chard and a whole bunch of goodies like that. And then this upper one here is all lettuce. It's going to be about 8 different varieties at any given point. The water comes in here with the nutrients and the oxygen, and it flows through down to the next one, and so on and so forth, and exits out the back and comes down into the reservoir down below. This guy alone up here will produce a head of lettuce every day for harvest. So that's going to be fun. Just finished building it, so I'm just testing all the connections, making sure everything's watertight and all that, and it's friggin' awesome. So yeah, this was an easy one to build too. It didn't cost much at all, and it's on a 4-foot by 2-foot, what is this, NSF, commercial rack. It's on wheels, so I can move the whole thing around whenever I need to. Brilliant setup. I'm really excited about this. So yeah, when we get back from Hawaii, plants get tossed in there and we start growing. I'll send you updates as we go, but holy shit, I'm a hippie apparently now.